Very tricky, and it was sliding around. Almost thought we were going to fall down, and it's quite high, probably about 60 meters down.
So, I'm not really a drama person, and neither is Graham, so if you're watching this channel for drama, you ain't gonna find much. But we had drama. We had drama coming into Mossel Bay, and we're gonna explain that to you. It was actually scary drama, and yeah. And we have a meetup with a wonderful couple. We are Cindy and Graham, and we welcome you to watch a video of us traveling full time through South Africa.
Stop.
We visit little off the beaten track towns along the way.
I've got to climb up there.
Let's have some coffee before we leave for Mossel Bay.
Okay, so I've made the coffee. Let's go and sit outside and drink it and see what it's like.
This is our little stop off at the side of the road as we're looking at Mossel Bay. Hey, so Cindy, where are we?
On our way to Mossel Bay.
Ah,
A new adventure awaits again.
yeah, it's going to be nice, eh?
After seeing whales.
Wales, wow.
Whales before we left. I was looking in this bay now because
Yeah.
we stopped at the top. There's nothing. We saw whales and we saw them flipping. It was too amazing.
Amazing.
I've
Tom.
never seen that in my life.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, how are you today? We welcome you to watch our video, and this is on Mossel Bay. We've been here now a month already, and we're going to be here another 2 months. There's so much to see here, guys. So not knowing that in Mossel Bay, Die Punt, the point, there are 3 places. There's a caravan park, there is the lighthouse, and the whole area at the bottom is called the point. So we put it into Google, and this is where Google took us to this place. So we're heading for this road.
Okay, so here we go. This is where I could see there's like a little wind here. So I said to Cindy, go ahead of me and go a little bit faster than 10 or 15 k's because I'm in the van. I need to get up here. And she did. She went about 20 or so, and we're going up here. And then I can see this looks a bit suspect here. Anyway, if I had only looked, you can see how we're going up and up and up and up right over the hill. If I only looked over here, I would have seen the caravan park. I would have seen the caravan park. What was I thinking? Crazy, crazy, crazy.
So we speak on our walkie-talkies and say, look on the left there, the caravan park is. We cannot turn around here on this road. We cannot reverse. We just have to carry on going up and see what we can do at the top. This is what we're getting to at the top now.
Hey, down into the bushveld. Very far. So I'm thinking to myself, as soon as he goes up there, alright, she can go in there and turn around and we come back down again. That shouldn't be too difficult. It'll be easier coming down than going up. Oh well, let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the top. We got here and the security said no, we can't go in here, we have to turn around and go down. So yeah, what even gave me a bigger fright was this piece here. It's broken out here and it's lying down there somewhere there. I saw it here the other day, lying here. We came up here, we had to make reverse turns and everything. If you have a look here, it goes uphill, it's all over the show. Here's this big rock that I had to try and avoid. Look at the sand here. See what happens, turn here, let's slide. I can't slide like this, this thing is in the way here. Nearly bumped it. Anyway, that's it. It's not very wide. You can see there's a boulder here. And I would say that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters. 6 meters wide, yeah. Going up here.
This is where it all transpired. You can see the short that someone's going out now. I'm going to film them coming back.
You're going to do it?
Yeah. So we're going to just show you how a big van had to go into this little loop, and there's the hill going down. You can see the hill. I'm going to film them going down. He's going to go forward. Even forward is scary. I did forward, and yeah, for a little car it's a good turn. And when you're sitting in this position, it's scary. So I had reversed back like this car, and when I went forward, all I could see was down this mountain, and that's when I realized that was so scary. And I just prayed, kept praying and praying, and I just grabbed the wheel and I just turned it right to the left as far as I could, and almost closed my eyes to just swing it slowly. I have never been so scared in all my life. It just wasn't a good situation to be in. Really it wasn't. So we get to the caravan park, and a few days later the ladies of the Blution tell me that a security van rolled down the hill in that exact place a little while ago. His van stopped a little way down because it was small. Our van would have rolled all the way down, and we did have reason to fear. So this is from the lighthouse, looking down here. At the crashing waves. Stay, baby. Hello. Crazy.
So this is the zip line going all the way up there to there, from there all the way. Sure, it's quite a way. If you look over there, we can see our little camper there. Right over there, hiding away. Over there. That's our little van there, hiding away.
Surprise phone call from these beautiful people, also Vanlife. Say that again. You have to climb in.
You're going to have to climb in. So I'll just give you the
Introduce
first
yourself
section.
first.
This is Rita. That is JP.
JP.
And we are JP and Rita.
Yeah, other Vanlifers.
I like this as well. I made
And we started
Yeah.
You see now.
in 1980. When we met, we built our first van.
Wow.
Okay.
How about that?
Cut.
So Rita's making us coffee. And that's JP. Now we see your face.
What is it?
And that's Graham. You know, you all know Graham.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you, Jaunti.
Yeah.
Alors on peut parler français.
Oh, you speak it.
Oh oui,
Voulez-vous
pourquoi pas?
français?
Oui, très bien.
Oh,
Same thing. Was a
The fleet
built out.
line.
It was actually a caravan or something like that, but it was an 81 model, and it was a beautiful van. And I rigged it out the back with the engineers. I actually made that the bed and the
so we're here. We met up with other Vanlifers, JP and Rita. There's Rita saying hello.
sit in there with me because I
Start filming so I can tell you a story.
Tell me a story.
Okay, Graham, let me tell you a story. Eh?
I'm listening.
Now, I don't know who that guy is behind the camera, but I think his name is Graham. But I want to tell you something. He never answers his phone. Don't even try to phone him. Not on WhatsApp, not on normal phone. He just doesn't do it. So now, here's the thing. if you want to catch him, mate,
Oh.
you catch his wife. His wife's name is Cindy.
Catch me if you can.
Yeah, like the seagull, you know, catching the bread. They won't know what
Okay.
I'm talking about.
So this is our gorgeous view from our caravan side when we stand on the beach in front on the walkway. We have surfers right in front of us as well.